Hi everyone. Welcome back to our Apache Hive interview question and answer course. In this lecture, we will take you up with a real world scenario based case study. Optimize a join across three large partition Hive table. We will explore the performance problem, analyze the execution, and then apply join optimization technique to make sure it runs efficiently. Let's start up with the setup. We have three tables involved in our Hive query. Users, partition by country, page views, partition by date, transaction, partition by date and user ID. Our goal is to generate a dashboard that shows the relationship between user activity and transaction for a specific day and region. Here's the first version of our query, the one that causing performance issue. The query is select u.userid, pv.page URL, t.amount from user u, join page view pv on u.userid equal to pv.userid, join transaction t on u.userid equal to t.userid, where PV date equal to 2025-08-01 and T date equal to 25-08-01 and country U dot country equal to US. At the first glance, it looks fine, but the query takes forever to run. Let's look at what's happening behind the scene. Hive is scanning all partition for the user and transaction table. The partition pruning isn't applied early enough. Joins are happening on large data set before filtering. Broadcast join optimization is not triggered because all tables are too large. Result, high memory consumption and slow execution. We can fix this using four optimization steps. Apply partition filter early. Filter only relevant partition first. Use subqueries to reduce data volume before joining. Enable cost-based optimization. Select join order and hints intelligently. Let's rewrite the query. So we will write filtered user as select star from user where country equal to US, comma filtered PV as select star from page views where a date equal to 2025-08-01, filtered transactions as select star from transactions where date equal to 2025-08-01. Then close the bracket, select user u.userid, pv.page URL, t.amount from filtered user u, join filtered pv on u.userid equal to pv.userid, join filtered transaction t on u.userid equal to t.userid. Now Hive plunges partition before joining and process smaller data sets. Let's discuss about performance optimization tips. Use partition keys in where clause. Reduce data early with subqueries. Use analyze table for stats collection. Apply join hints, example broadcast, shuffle, etc. Use Stage or Spark execution engine for complex joins. So, when you face slow Hive joins across multiple partition tables, filter data early, leverage partitions, collect table stats, use subqueries and cost-based optimization. That's how you achieve scalable and optimized join in Hive.